state if the following are action-reaction pairs. And recall by Newton's third law that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So in the first case, the normal force is not the same as the force of weight, so therefore these do not form an action-reaction pair. In this second case, the gravitational force exerted by object A on object B, which is this force, is equal and opposite to the gravitational force exerted by B on A. So therefore these form an action-reaction pair. And in this case, the friction force exerted by the ground on the ball is equal and opposite to the friction force exerted by the ball on the ground. So these form an action-reaction pair. And by the same argument for this second case over here, this electrostatic force exerted by both objects form an action-reaction pair.